Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some swatches of some Mini Macaron gel polishes. For those of you who are new to Mini Macaron, they are a gel polish brand and they have the cutest macaron shaped LED light. It's super portable and you can use it for both your fingers and your toes. And all you need to do is plug it in, one end to a USB port and the other end into the lamp, and you're good to go. All the polishes are 3-in-1 formulas, so you don't need an extra base coat or top coat, and there is no sticky layer to wipe off, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. So this first one is called Pomegranate, and this is a beautiful brick red shade. If you saw my last Mini Macaron swatch video, I swatched cherry red, and as the name suggests, it is more of a cherry red, and this one is more of a deeper red. So I'm going to cure the first coat under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And this is the second coat. It does cover completely in 2 coats, and the formula, as always, is amazing. This is the perfect red for fall and for Christmas, so I cannot wait to wear this during the holidays. So here is 2 coats of Pomegranate. This next one is called Fairy Floss, and this is a light baby pink polish. It totally reminds me of cotton candy, and I think this would be perfect for any time of the year. It is a really light color, so it's completely expected that it's a tiny bit sheer on the first coat. I'm going to go ahead and cure that under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So here is the second coat of Fairy Floss, and this does a really good job at evening out that color, but I am going to be applying a third coat. And here is the third coat of Fairy Floss, and it does cover completely in 3 coats. And even though it does need 3 coats, these cure completely in just 30 seconds, so it's not a big deal at all. So here is 3 coats of Fairy Floss. So this next one is called Licorice, and this is a black gel polish. And I have been wanting a black gel polish for the longest time because I use them with chrome powders, and typically I wear a black regular polish and then apply a gel top coat on top before using like chrome powders and stuff, but now I can save so much time by just applying this. And Licorice definitely does not disappoint as a black gel polish. This is so shiny and it's completely opaque in just 2 coats. So here's 2 coats of Licorice. And this is Mini Macaron's new matte gel top coat. And with this matte top coat, you can transform any color into a matte finish. So here I'm applying it over Licorice to show you, and this is just 1 coat. I'm going to cure it under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And just for comparison, here's what the matte top coat looks like over Licorice compared to Licorice on its own. So here's 1 coat of the matte top coat over Licorice. So as you guys know, I love Mini Macaron. They are my favorite gel polishes, and the polishes I tried on today were no exception. They are such good formulas and they are super shiny, with the exception of the matte top coat, of course. But yeah, if you want to see my reviews on some of their other products, I'll leave some links in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!